Hi everyone, it's Marjan here. Today I want to talk about this Hoya Polyneura that I've got 6 months ago in September 2020, and it's now March 2020, and it started with just 3 leaves, this one, but now after 6 months it has grown. I cannot even count the leaves. It does have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stems, so many leaves, and it just keeps putting on new leaves. It's growing like crazy. The roots are very healthy and looking great. It's in Leca, and even it does have some roots even on top are coming, so it's just a very fast growing plant for me. And I want to talk about what care I personally do give it. I've heard that this Hoya likes cold weather, but I actually have this Hoya in my room that the temperature is between 25 centigrade and 29, so it is pretty warm. And also it is under my grow light, so that's why the leaves are a little bit lighter. But if you want darker leaf, maybe put it just in a room that is just bright and doesn't get too much light. But I mean, it grows so fast under grow light, so I love that it does that, so I'm going to keep it there. I don't mind the leaves are becoming lighter. I actually like that effect. Feed it monthly. I wash the Leca monthly. I feed it once monthly, and then I just add water if the water reservoir got low. And usually I keep the water kind of like, I start from probably half, kind of like half of this is inside the reservoir, and then it eventually evaporates, and sometimes even does have one day like gets completely dry until I remember to again add water to it. But I don't add, like, I've heard that people add nutrients to it. Again, I wouldn't recommend that, because I feel like the old nutrients are still inside this container, so that could cause root rot or root burn. That's why I'm just adding water, and then again when it's monthly I clean the pot. If there is any residue of the old nutrients, I make sure to clean it all. I shower and wash the Leca. I'm just like hold this under the shower like this. You don't need to change the Leca. Just like kind of like the water goes through, and if there is any nutrient stuck or any matter stuck in between, it gets clean. Yeah, that is, I feel like, mostly what I do for this plant. I do spray water a lot on it too. The humidity in my room as well is between mostly is 40 to 50, I would say. Yeah, I live in Canada, so it's really dry here. Like our natural room humidity without any humidifier is around 16 to 20, which is very dry. So even I feel like the humidifier does pretty good, but also I'm kind of like spraying around 5 to 6 times per day on this plant. Yeah, so that's the basic care I give this plant, and it just grows very much. People have so many problems in soil, but I would say this plant loves Leca, so I highly recommend maybe keeping it in Leca, and then if you have extras you could experiment growing it in soil as well. My plan is today to also propagate this Hoya Polyneura as well. So I have a full video of how to propagate this plant on my channel. Please find the link on the top, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Have a good day. Bye.